What's up? It's McFat. I'm about to go to bed. I'm back with another video. We're gonna unbox another toy. The description is at the bottom. Like the video, subscribe, check out my previous videos and see what I unboxed. And keep up with me. Subscribe everywhere, all social media platforms. Anyway, I got another toy from adoreme.com. And I'm an affiliate and I'm giving you guys a promo code. So adoreme.com, promo code Jalisa McFat, and you can get yourself something as well, whether you're a female or a male. Okay, so I'm about to go to bed. I saved this for before I go to bed because I'm probably gonna be tired after trying out this new toy like the previous ones, but I just wanted to just stay active, so I'm giving you guys a treat. Okay, I hope you like fruit. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Check me out everywhere, all platforms. I'm curious to see what this does. I'm always excited about opening boxes, so shout out to Adore Me. I would have picked me too. Anyway, let's go. We're gonna open this up. They have really good packaging. I like that. Hope you like my outfit too. So my air freshener just went on. Anyway. Ooh, this time I got a little baggie to put it in. That's cute. Like that. And here is my toy. Ooh, okay. This is a 2-in-1 banana vibrator. It said banana clitoral G-spot dildo. Sex toy for couples and women. Love that. So here's my banana. Ooh. Okay, let me see this little manual, because this is not a rose. Got my charger, need that. Let's see. Please take a few minutes to read this. This product is only for adults over 18 years old. Okay. So number 2 and 3, you control the vibration and control the suction. Oh, this has suction. Hold the thing down for 2 seconds, turn on the vibration, single click to change vibration modes. Hold down for 2 seconds to turn off the G-spot vibrator. Hold down the other joint for 2 seconds to turn on the sucking function. Can I read? Anyway. Anyway, please fully charge the product before using. Okay. This vibrator is splash proof. Makes sense. Okay. No, I need splash proof. Nobody showing me. I need splash proof. Anyway. Please keep in a place where children and pets cannot reach. Smokey, here he come. Anyway, my cat likes to meddle in things. So, does this come off? This looks like it comes off. Ooh. Okay, so it's got a little thing right there. Y'all see that? This got to be the suction. Okay. All right, so just that hold. I guess I gotta charge it. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Washed it off. Read the instructions a little better. All right, so the first one is for vibration and the second one is for suction. It's been an hour. I was over there playing on my phone, reading stuff. I ain't had no homework tonight, so I'm game. So, all right, so we know that this comes off my banana and shows a little sucking point. So let's see, I charged it. Let's see what it vibrate like. This is strong. This is very strong. All right, does it have any more settings? Switch, single click to change vibration modes. Ooh, okay, I like this. This is just vibration. Oh, does it have some more? This feels really good in my hand. This is gonna be pretty. Okay, so that's set in 3 and it's high and my hand is shaking. I don't know if you can see that, but. Okay, so this got a few settings on it. Okay. You got some more? Okay, this sounds like a bike. This is revving up. This might be the one right here. Okay. Okay. Let's how we turn that off? All right, we had to turn that off because my hand about to leak. Okay. All right, so let's try the sucking section. Well, the sucking part. I can barely talk. All right, let's see. Okay, this is a little gentle pull. It's not too much. This got more settings too. Single click to switch the suction modes. Oh, okay. So this is turned up. Let's see. Okay, it's pulling. It's just doing it. How high this go? This is probably the one I'm gonna use. If it gets higher than this, I'll use that too. But I love a good pull, baby. But okay, so this has multiple sucking modes. It's got a few of them. Okay, let's turn that off. My banana. This is cute. I wonder, can it do both at the same time? Let me see. This can do both at the same time. Let's turn that all the way up. This can do both at the same. Let's turn you off. Okay. Let's put that down. All right. If you want to try this toy out, like I said right here, adoreme.com, promo code Jalisa McFat. In the description at the bottom is my referral code and my promo code. If you can, in case you forget how to spell it, I'm shaking from the vibration. My arm is shaking, like it's still trembling. So what we gonna do is, what? You always trying to, here, say hi, dang. Smokey says hi. He's always trying to steal my shine, baby. Can this kitty cat get a little meow? All right. Anyway, I'm about to give my banana a try. And I'm going to see what it do. I will be back. Okay. So, Let me have a seat. This ain't no game. We cleaned her up. We tried a few settings. This might be my new favorite next to them roses. The vibration on this, baby. Thank you, Adore Me. Thank you. I put them all on high settings. There's a twinkle in my eye. I started off low, I built it up, but I did get the highest setting. Is this makeup? It is. It's fine. I'm still cute. I had to gather myself and sit there for a minute after, because I'm so used to my rose that this is some powerful fruit. Eat more fruit, baby. I'm very pleased. I was a little confused at first because I wasn't sure how to use it. Make sure you charge stuff first. I was so anxious. I didn't have to charge my roses before, but I made sure I charged this. Okay. I'm going to bed, and I don't know, I might just stay up a little while longer. But I like this. This is cute. And it looks like fruit. So healthy. So I recommend. I would have given it 10 out of 10, but I wanted it to come charged. So I'm going to give it 9 out of 10. My roses came charged. But I ain't going to front. In the manual, it did say charge it first. But I was so anxious to just feel the vibration and the suction modes. I played myself. But that's all right. We know now. We let that baby charge. That's going to stay charged. This is cute. Boop. Get you one. AdoreMe.com. Promo code Jalisa McFat. Love that. Don't be afraid to have some fun and try new things. I've got something else to unbox. We're gonna wait. Check out all my previous videos. And follow me on all social media platforms. I love that. Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. But I look cute. Banana got me all over the place. But, you know, baby is happy. So, see you guys later.
I just hit them with the low cut, then call my folks up. Somebody about to get poked up, go call a tow truck. All that talking out your neck might just get your throat cut.
This is a Mac truck, not the black truck. When we move, tell them back up. Click, click, clack.